In this video we are talking about if Solana is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. In the last video I said that I moved into a long position right after this body close because we were in this demand zone right here, so I moved here into a long position and I said it's really important that we are breaking this last high to the upside, and then the chance is high that we are seeing a move to the upside and that I want to take some profits right in this supply zone. I will show you now the clip for context. And as I said, I went into a long position right with this daily close out of this demand zone. So I bought for $18.39. As I said, it's really important for me that we break this high right here to have a bullish order flow on the 4-hourly time frame. And if we are breaking to the upside, I will take some profits right in this area right here. As you can see, we had our supply zone right here, and here I will take some profits. And as you can see, we pumped perfectly to the upside. We broke this last high with the body close right here, and then the price exploded to the upside. And as I came into the zone, I took some profits because, as I said, this supply zone right here caused this bearish move to the downside. And if we come into the zone, the chance that we first see a reaction to the downside is really high. So congrats to everybody who moved here into a long position on Solana. From this orange line to the upside, we saw a move about 20%. And from my entry to the upside, we saw a move about 34%. And as we came into the supply zone, as expected, we saw this move to the downside. But right now we are moving again into the supply zone. So now the question is, do we find resistance and go to the downside again? Or do we blast through this supply zone and go to higher levels? So I think the chance that we are moving to the upside is really high if we're breaking this level. For me, this level will decide if we are going to the upside or not, because as I said, this supply zone caused the last bearish move to the downside, and if we are breaking through this supply zone with a daily or weekly body close, the chance that we are moving to even higher levels is immense high. And right now we are seeing higher lows all the way, and now it's really important how we react at this zone. But I think that we can see higher levels, especially because Bitcoin pumped in the last days, and the chance that we are seeing higher levels is very high. But there's also the chance that we are going to the downside. I think the first level of support will be this demand zone right here, because from this last low we saw this push to the upside. So if we come back here, I think the chances are that we are seeing some support and maybe go then again to the upside. But there's also the chance, if we are breaking through the downside and through this demand zone, that we are coming into this demand zone, and if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here, then the chances are that we are going again to the upside, because from this demand zone right here we saw this push to the upside. We broke this last highs right here, so the chances are that we are seeing some support right here. But if anything interesting happens for Solana, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Solana. So all in all, congrats to everybody who took the trade, who also took profits right in this supply zone as I called. And right now I think the chances are that we are moving again to the upside, but it's very important that we are breaking this level. And if we are breaking this level to the upside, the chance that we are seeing much higher prices for Solana is very high. But there could be the bearish scenario, and then I would look for this demand zone right here for support, or if we are breaking this demand zone, that we are finding some support right here. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.